I'm really shocked. Woo! Now the crazy thing is about this building is that not a single bolt or anything that a normal building would take to build it up, none of that is for this. This was all done, like the way that they engineered it is through like knobs, twists, turns, so like they made grooves so it can lock. And this is all built with 0 bolts. Like, look at that. I mean, like I'm the person, right? Like I can't even describe to you guys how massive this is. Look at this. This is truly mesmerizing. Oh my God. So now the reason why we're wearing helmets is because this thing is still under construction. There's some pieces like this where they are still trying to build it, and it's been like 20 years since they started building this, and it's honestly so amazing that this is all built without any bolts, without any nails. It's all structured and engineered with like knobs and twists. It's really interesting. I'll show you back outside what that looks like. And this took so many years, and it's kind of like the Golden Gate Bridge where they had to continuously keep maintenance on it because this is near the shore, and since you know the salty water kind of makes the moisture with the salty water affects the wood and it starts rotting, so they had to continuously keep on building to it so it doesn't fall necessarily. So this thing will always be here for as long as they really want to, and it's truly something to see with your own eyes. Wow. And all of these walls have their own stories and all their own philosophies that the Thailand people believe in and they try to live by. And it's really interesting when they do tell you the history behind some of these sculptures on the walls. Right here you can see what they're going to sketch out for the next pieces. And then this is what one of the pieces already looks like completed. Okay, so this is what I meant on like the different blocks that they have and what different ones basically are used for. So pretty self-explanatory, but like, look at that. It's like jigsaw puzzles. Like, it's really neat on how they're able to do everything. Okay, that's how that works. Like, they have so many different ways on how they were able to make this stuff happen. But it's really like interesting. Like, look at that. Like, who would have thought of making this whole thing out of that? With just no nails, no bolts, just all wood. This is truly impressive.